Welcome to learn Huawei's Cognitive Engagement Center solution. The solution is in brief named as CEC at Huawei Cloud. It is a new generation contact center solution that is deployed on the Huawei Cloud. Provides you contact center as a service that you can directly order it from Huawei Cloud. Now, please follow me to learn more about this CEC solution. Huawei has been developing contact center for nearly 30 years and continues investing in the contact center industry. With the development of the industry technologies, Huawei's product is evolving from the basic voice call center in 2G era to the multimedia center in 3G era, and the contact center with more abundant service capabilities in 4G era. Now, in 5G era, new technologies as artificial intelligence, 5G, and HD video, etc., will bring new capabilities and totally new experience for the contact center users. This intelligent cloud contact center is now our new generation contact center solution. In March 2020, Huawei has released 5G intelligent cloud contact center solution, which is also the world's first 5G intelligent contact center. The solution integrated video and AI capabilities and is an open platform enabling partners to extend abundant service applications for different industries. Also, it supports multiple deployment modes like public cloud, hybrid cloud, and private cloud to fully meet the customer all kinds of deployment requirements. The first half of this year, CEC has been launched on Huawei Cloud Talent. It supports multimedia unified accessing and unified routing. Besides the traditional IVR self-service and agent service, also the AI customer services as voice bot and chatbot are supported. With this unified architecture for media accessing, it is easy to extend new media channels via integration. Like today, voice and web chat is ready. In the coming future, we extend more media access capabilities. Take social media as an example. Facebook messengers, Twitter direct message, and Line, etc. will be added step by step. For CTI part, which provides unified routing control, just add a new media type to identify the routing request. The backend service processing part, like IVR agent and AI services, will have the unified service processing logic for the typical media types as voice, message, and email. To support the agent more efficiently serve the customer, the CEC solution also provides agent desktop applications, like a voice desktop for agent to process voice requests, digital media desktop for agent to process message requests. iSales is an independent campaign management that supports predictive dialing and intelligent outbound. Unified contact management shows a view of customer recent contact history with all kinds of media requests. Other modules like AI agent assistant, case management, and knowledge management are helpful for agents to serve the customer more efficiently and bring better service experience to the end customer. Besides the service supporting, also the CEC solution has a comprehensive operation support capabilities, a service quality management with recording and evaluation, real-time monitoring, as well as statistic reporting. Last and important for the CEC solution is its openness. The system provides abundant APIs and open it via API Fabric for the third party to build their own personalized contact center services and extend more system integrations. I wish now you already have a general concept of Huawei's CEC solution, such as its architecture and main functional modules. Here give you a more detailed view for you to better understand the specific functionalities of the system. The blue features are currently launched on Huawei Cloud, and the gray ones will be launched step by step in the coming future. If you are interested in the detailed functionalities and capabilities of the solution, please follow me to introduce one by one. First is UAP, which is the Universal Access Platform. It is the core module for voice access. The industry name is ACD, which is Automatic Call Distributor. Huawei's ACD has the same history of Huawei Contact Center. It was firstly developed based on Huawei Switch, from traditional TDM-based to IP-based. Till today is the 5th generation, which is a pure software and IMS-oriented SDN and NFV architecture. It will continually be evolving along with the network technology developing. Besides the voice access, more and more digital medias appear on the internet, which are also able to be connected to the contact center to enrich the customer's interactions. Customers can use different ways as they preferred to send a service request to the contact center. After the contact center received the request, the CTI will route the request to the most suitable resources, according to matching the resource skills with the customer request types. Furtherly, each time interaction with the customer will be recorded and as the reference for the agent when the same customer contacts again. When we are talking about multimedia connection, you may think, how about the social media connection? Since normally the social media apps always have their own APIs and are open for third party to integrate with. Our CEC solution has already integrated with WeChat, Facebook Messenger, Twitter Direct Message, and Line. After the integration is done on Huawei Cloud CEC platform, add the new social media via configuration, then this new social media connection is available. Please be reminded that the account info of the social app need to be applied by the CEC tenant users themselves. From contact center side, either self-service or agent service are ready to receive the requests for the customer to handle it. Take agent services as an example. Agent will handle all kinds of the message requests in a unified way. Besides the agent services, IVR as the traditional voice self-services, an online IVR orchestration is provided for the tenant, can easily generate and modify the IVR flow by themselves. Also, the IVR flow version management, IVR voice management, and IVR track log are available for the tenant users to use. After introducing the inbound services, now let's see the outbound services. iSales as an outbound application is introduced for you to manage campaign activities by following the wizard. Firstly, you can create an outbound task, import the outbound number list, define outbound type like predictive dialing, manual dialing, or intelligent dialing. Then you can set the outbound policies like the outbound time, the frequency, and the maximum try times, etc. When the activity is started, the dialing tasks will be automatically distributed to the available agents to execute. Also, the related system resources will be allocated to support the execution. During the execution, the blacklist can be utilized to filter the numbers that should avoid being dialed out, and the appointment function can be used for the agent to add new dialing out tasks as the customer requirement. Also, you can learn the progress of the tasks while monitoring the KPIs like the completion rate, success rate, etc. So the iSales application is an end-to-end self-closed loop processing. If the tenant has its own campaign system with its own activity management, just want to utilize the outbound capability of the CEC. An open API of iSales is also available for the tenant to integrate with. Besides the inbound and outbound capabilities, AI Engine is used to enable the contact center to bring a totally new customer experience, which makes the customer service journey more friendly, naturally, and efficiently. Let's see from the beginning, when the customer connects the CEC, traditionally is IVR or predefined menu to respond to the customer. Inexplicable and boring. No one likes it, but seems no choice. Now it's the intelligent IVR that enabled by the AI engine with ASR, TTS, and NLP capabilities makes the interaction becoming a natural language interaction. No matter it is via voice or chat, the end customer even can't identify is a machine or a real person talking or chatting with him or her. This is the first stage that the customer can feel the changes that the AI brings. After the first interaction, it is still possible to transfer the session to a real agent. Then AI engine changes its role to become a smart assistant to support the agent to serve the customer more efficiently. The smart assistant can understand the conversation between the customer and the agent, give some prompts or recommendations to the agent, help to fill in an order, automatically classify the orders, and dispatch to next step to process. Not only the service processing, but also the service quality management. The same AI engine can help the supervisor to do quality inspections more efficiently. The AI engine can analyze all the recording files and give the evaluations according to the predefined evaluation rule. Clearly mark out the problem points of the agent, which will highly help the supervisor to optimize the contact center on-site operations. Sounds good if AI is really enforceable. In order to let our tenant able to build the robot services by themselves, OIAP is provided, which is online intelligent assistant platform for the tenant to design the robot services logic where drag and drop operations, train the robot where importing or adding couples. Once the robot services is built for one channel, it can be automatically extended to other channels to share the same robot capabilities. Knowledge graph board is used for the tenant to build a FAQ robot with professional knowledges, and the task board is used for the tenant to build a robot that can handle customer simple service requests. After you have learned the main service capabilities, let's learn the operation management related functions of the CEC. Quality management is a basic requirement for the contact center operation management. CEC provides comprehensive quality management, like recording, real-time inspection, and service quality management. The recording files are in default encrypted stored in the cloud for 3 months. Tenant can apply to download to the specific local servers for long-term archive. Also can buy more storage resources on the Huawei Cloud for long-term storage. Another important feature of the contact center operation management is the operation monitoring and report. Monitoring mainly refers to real-time monitoring, which includes agent monitoring, system monitoring. Report mainly refers to statistic report, also includes agent report and system report. The presenting method can be web applications on the PC or workboard normally hanging in the contact center workplace. There are basic monitoring and reporting KPI packages in the CEC solution. If the tenant thinks it's not enough for them to use, open APIs are also available for the tenant to invoke to build more personalized monitoring and reporting. after you have learned all the main functionalities of the CEC solution. If that is still not enough to support your business, you can consider the system openness. The CEC solution is designed to build an open ecosystem that allows system integrators, partners, and tenants to maximum utilize the CEC capabilities via openness to extend our clients' business as much as possible. There is a dedicated team provides professional guidance and supporting for secondary developing and integration. If you are interested in the CEC solution, you can now apply for a trial from Huawei Cloud website. And you can check the CEC subscription mode. It is a pay-per-use mode by agent or channels, monthly charged by amount of the usage. After you have successfully opened a tenant account, you will be guided to access the system via the tenant portal and start to build your own contact center services. To make the contact center services commercially launched, at least prerequisites of the networking need to be reminded for you. As a tenant, you need to apply a normal contact center access number from the carrier so that the end customer can dial this number and reach to the contact center via the carrier network routing. For outbound services, a formal contact center caller number is also required, and the outbound fee will be charged by the carrier. Secondly, if you have a professional agent site with more than 50 agents connections, it is recommended to apply a private network resource for the connection of CEC and the agent workplace. This will be highly guaranteed the network stability and voice quality. The main bandwidth is consumed mainly by the voice media. So we take the voice media as an example to calculate the required bandwidth. And this can be used as a reference for private network resource application. You can also contact our product manager, help to do this network planning. In order to guarantee the system reliability, the CEC at Huawei Cloud Thailand adopts two sites with active-active redundancy mode, which means 59% reliability. The tenants no need to worry about the system maintenance issue, just focus on their own contact center business. With the pay-per-use mode, the tenant can extend their business smoothly anytime as they need. And the CEC continuously evolving, a lot of new features and the capabilities will be launched in Thailand CEC in the coming future. Finally, as a professional service provider in the contact center industry, Huawei has been working on it for nearly 30 years. Footprint of Huawei Contact Center has been globally in Asia Pacific, Africa, Middle East, and Latin America. Currently, Huawei have served more than 1,200 enterprise customers and 700,000 agents. We believe that CEC, as the latest version of Huawei Contact Center solution, will bring you newer technologies and better experience. Thank you.